This is for our Romanian customer. First of all, this is the film spreading. This is the film spreading. Open it. This is the film PTPE. Could be okay. And then it will be easy tear line making. Easy tear line making. Adjust here to be flat, our backside for the adjustment. This is the preheating. And then this is the foaming mode. This is the filling. This is the filling. Filling for now is 3 milliliter. 3 milliliter. And this is the printer for the date or the box number. You see here. And then this is the sealing. This is sealing mode, and this is the photocell sensor for the packing film for marking. And then this is the stepping. This is the stepping, and then this is the cutting. This is the cutting, and this one is with the film receiving. And this is the cutting screen. It also could be English. For now, the speed is around 21 times per minute. That means it's 63 pieces per minute. As is 3 pieces. It's 3 pieces per mode.